Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create meetings on ClickUp. Now, there's multiple ways that you could actually go ahead about doing this. One way to do it is that if you click on Document on the left-hand side, or if you click on More, Documents might be here as well. It actually provides you with a template for meeting notes. So I would suggest that if you're not used to holding meetings, you could actually go ahead and click on Meeting Notes. And this could be used as a template for your meeting notes. So before the meeting, attendees can add items and updates to the agenda. During the meeting, an assigned note taker or all attendees can capture notes into the document. And after the meeting facilitator assigns out action items by creating tasks. So you can see here that there's a weekly team meeting note template as well and daily stand-up/sync template as well. But with meeting notes though, let's say that you have a task here such as send PDF to Walmart. What essentially will happen is that as you start to take notes, you will come across some actionable items. So instead of just keeping it up in the air, what is really neat about ClickUp is that you could actually highlight the phrase and then click on this purple check mark, and then you could actually create a task from this phrase. So simply select a list, and then you could assign the due date, assignees, or customize the fields, and then click on create. So that right there, guys, is how to create meetings on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.